Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the corner lights on a hot spring spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, square head screwdriver, and razor knife. Parts you will need: 78165 LED harness, NXT, and hot spring. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Loosen the panel clips and remove the equipment door. Step 3. Cut a hole right above the light with a razor knife and remove the corner light from the housing. Step 4. Loosen the panel clips and remove the side panel. Step 5. Dig out the foam and remove the other corner light. Step 6. Fish the light harness through the compartment wall. You may have to cut the wall open a little with a razor knife and remove some more foam. Step 7. Install both lights into the corner light housing. Step 8. Unplug the old harness connector and plug the new one in its place. Make sure the arrows are aligned on the connectors. Good job! You are now the hero. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.